Good morning, everybody. I'm not able to be in school today, but you can use this Nearpod to complete your work for class. You're going to need your notebook, you'll need Google Classroom and Jupyter, and obviously you'll need your device. Here's the plan. First off, I'm going to show you a lab report I made about how to succeed in science, and you're going to do some reflection yourself on how to do your best work in science. Next, you'll take a survey on your work in physics this year in science to think about everything you've learned and what you've done. After that, you'll have a chance to complete the survey that I posted in Google Classroom yesterday and to make a sketch or plan about how you would launch your action figure as high as you possibly could. Finally, I have a vocabulary science gym kit where you can test your knowledge and see what you remember from science this year.